Why do software engineers hate AI and LLMs in general? While that may not be absolutely true, there certainly is a case to be made for that. If you look around X, you get a lot of comments like this, that it's not easier, it's not better. They think that AI is capable of replacing software engineers. We're hearing this all the time, but according to this software developer, it's not even close. It's really just that there are a bunch of ignorant, foolhardy people in leadership positions who think AI can replace software engineers. I gotta admit, I've got a lot of sympathy for that one. The other one is that John Adogan makes this great comment how software engineering isn't being replaced. It's just that now we're sort of deleting things generated by AI. A little bit of truth to that one, too. The next one is how working with AI just bites you in the worst possible moments. It introduces a bunch of bugs that are difficult, if not impossible, to both detect and fix for people with no coding knowledge. So again, like the software engineer is required to fix AI's mistakes, and that's been true, since the beginning, since it started writing code. This is kind of funny that people in real life don't believe that AI is going to replace developers, but that all people who are pushing the AI supremacy propaganda are either bots or paid for marketing. Man, that may be true. You'll see a lot of evidence around this, a lot of kind of shade for Sam Altman on that particular point. Evan Kirstel noting that CES was a giant exercise in AI gaslighting, and I think a lot of people really felt that way, especially people who are in the tech business. And finally, this gem from Ryan Vogel, where he notices that OpenAI is hiring developers at $385,000 a year base to write React code. So if AI is so good at writing code, why are you paying developers that much to write React code? By the way, it seems like an absurd amount of money for a React developer. You'd have to be really, really good. Anyway, do developers hate AI? I don't think so. Do they hate LLMs? No. In fact, most of us use them in very particular ways, but they're really not taking over things. It's just kind of another tool in the toolkit that maybe speeds us up about 5%, 10%. Some developers have said more than that, but I have yet to see that. Hope you find this interesting and useful in understanding when you're building a project, how much AI should you be using and how much should your developers be using?